Hi, my name is Jim Tucker Solfield. I'm a musician from London. This is the MoZo Island Beginner's Guitar Course, Part 1. Getting Started with Music. Beginner's Guitar Course, Page 1. What is music made of? In this sheet, we're looking at Senor Orange. Senor Orange is talking to the children all about sound and noises. Senor says, in our life, we sense sound through our ears. We call this hearing. Think about what sounds you can hear right now. Can you think of a sound in your house that you have heard at home? Was it someone walking with big feet? Tap, tap. Or maybe a door closing shut? Bang! Can you remember a sound from outside? Maybe someone calling out, "Watch out!" Or a big car driving past. Zoom! Remember, you can help to improve your child's literacy by reading slowly through some of the worksheets. See if they can follow the words with their finger. And children aged 5, 6 or 7 can usually manage to read some of the words on the pages. So see how you get on. Follow the MoZo Island Music Family page and we are going to share with you lots more ideas and activities. See you soon.